Hello everyone, welcome back to Wakanda Panning Project. The ladies that are taking part in the Wakanda Panning Project, their information is in my description box. Please go check them out and see what progress they have made on their products. I started with this one right here. And this is a product I can use up in a breeze. This is the Anastasia eyeshadow base. Love this. This is really nice. A tiny bit goes a long way. And it is now finished. So that is done. I'm going to replace this empty Anastasia Beverly Hills eye base with my e.l.f. Putty Primer. This one is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and that's the hydrating one. This I can finish in a breeze. So this will replace this. Next product is a product that is brilliant, which is the corrector. I have not used this very much. I have been testing my powder foundations and I have not been using that because I don't want it to interfere with the true definition of comparison of something new. So this is still at the same MAC. This is still at the same place. I'll be using it soon. My third product, which is a product I regret buying and I don't reach for it enough, is my Becca Under Eye Brightener. Me and this product, we're having an issue. I forget all the time to get it. I forget all the time to pull it out and use it. And it is just in there and I refuse to let it go to waste. So today, what I did, I used this all over my face as a base primer. Today I use this as a primer under my foundation. So I'm finding other ways to use it because I gotta finish using this thing. So this is the regret buy. Also, this liner was part of something I can finish in a breeze. As you can see, it is done. I can't sharpen it anymore. When I put it in the sharpener, this is what it looks like. It can hardly sharpen anymore, so it is done. And these two were a pair because I knew I could have finished them together. So the next product is a product I have a lot of, and it is lipstick. This is the lipstick. This is the chart. As you can see, I've not swatched it yet, so I'm gonna swatch it, and it is right here. This is where the lipstick is at. This is all that's left in the lipstick. Everything that is left in the lipstick is this. It's done. So I am going to replace this lipstick with a lot of things that I do have. And it is something that it's almost done also. It is my Laura Mercier powder. I actually had to take this off so I can see how much I have left. And I don't have a lot left. I have this amount left. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a teaspoon. So I'm going to replace this powder for this lipstick because I have a lot of powders. And the last thing, the most expensive product is my El Maquillage foundation. Let me measure so we can see where we at. I have not measured. I have not used my foundation a lot. I have been doing a lot of pressed face powder foundation comparison, so I haven't had the chance to use it. As you can see all around this bottle, you can see the light coming through because it is almost empty. You can see it here. You can see it here. It is almost empty. This is the bottom of the bottle right here where my finger is, and above it, this is where I'm at. And I haven't used it, like I say, in a while. Right there. So this is what we have left. Not a lot. I hope next time in April I'll be replacing that with something, and if during that time I've replaced it, you will see what I've replaced. These are all my Wakanda panning project. It is going fantastic because I use my product, but this one is exciting because I like to see the progress I have made. Please go visit all the other ladies that are in this Wakanda panning project, because I know they have progress. They have a lot of progress. You gotta check it out. Always remember to stay fabulous, and remember you are first. Bye.